Hello, builders and creators, here to inspire and empower your next project. Explore our hand-picked selection of tools and unlock your full creative potential in the workshop. The Chicago Pneumatic CP7120 is a versatile pneumatic needle scaler and chisel, making it an essential tool in any workshop. With 4,800 strokes per minute, it efficiently tackles rust removal, surface cleaning, and wheel drum maintenance. The CP7120 easily transitions from a needle scaler to a jackhammer, and its adjustable sleeve allows you to switch between 3mm steel needles and a 35mm wide chisel. The quick-change chisel holder ensures safe and reliable operation, minimizing risks during maintenance. Whether you're in a machine shop or other industrial setting, this tool is built for durability and high performance. With a 28.4mm piston stroke and 25mm cylinder diameter, the CP7120 is designed to handle tough jobs effortlessly. Introducing the versatile SKIL RT13230 router table and 10-amp fixed-base router kit, an ideal choice for precise woodworking. This kit includes the SKIL SRT1039 router table, designed with all the features you need for accurate and comfortable operations, including easy router height adjustment above the table, built-in storage, an aluminum miter slot, router clamp, starter pin, and dual pressure stops. The 16-inch tall by 24-inch wide aluminum fence simplifies working with taller pieces, complete with adjustable pressure stops, interchangeable MDF fence faces, and a starter pin. The powerful SKIL RT13230 fixed-base router boasts a 10-amp motor, providing smooth and precise milling throughout your project. It features soft start technology, variable speed control, and a handy tool operation indicator light for added safety and convenience. This kit gives you the precision of a stationary router table paired with the mobility of a handheld router, allowing you to begin your project on the table and seamlessly complete it with the hand router. Let me introduce you to an incredible tool, the 4E Scientific Mini Vortex Mixer. This compact yet powerful device operates at a fixed speed of 5,600 RPM, generating a strong vortex that can thoroughly mix paints in just 10 to 15 seconds, even if they've been sitting for a while and separated. Its patented three-leg design and sturdy build ensure it stays firmly in place while you work, ideal for mixing nail polish, small liquid bottles, or any liquid mixtures. The mixer is built from durable ABS plastic and silicone, resistant to most chemicals. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient mixer for paints, varnishes, or liquids, the 4E Scientific is an excellent choice. Did you know that using dowels not only enhances the mechanical strength of joints, but also provides extra surface area for bonding? The most challenging aspect, though, is accurately aligning the dowel holes on the pieces you're joining. The one-time tool, Ultimate Doweling Jig, elevates dowel hole drilling with customizable hole spacing, precise step-by-step positioning stops, extensions, and an additional stop for drilling dowel holes in the middle of parts. With the ability to use up to 5 different dowel sizes, this tool makes joint creation easier and more precise, allowing you to select the perfect dowel size for maximum strength and reliability. The Woodpecker Penny Pocket Rule is a must-have for any carpentry workshop. This precision tool features dual scales in both 6 inches and 150 millimeters, with laser-engraved markings down to 1/32 inch and 1 millimeter for exceptional accuracy. Both ends of the ruler also include vertical scales, and a fine groove at the tip transforms it into an efficient marking gauge. Equipped with an adjustable stop, you can easily slide and lock it in place for repeat measurements on multiple boards. Remove the stop and use the cutout to keep the ruler upright, making it perfect for adjusting router bits, saw blades, or circular blades. Available in aluminum or stainless steel. And with inch, metric, or combined scales, the Woodpecker Penny Pocket Rule is a versatile and reliable tool for precise measurements. The tapered torque rod press is expertly engineered for the fast and efficient removal of transverse reaction rods on Niue and Hendrickson suspensions, where tight spaces often make this task challenging for mechanics. Constructed from high-quality materials for maximum strength and durability, this tool is designed to be used with impact wrenches up to 1 inch. Its black oxide coating protects against corrosion, ensuring longevity, while eliminating the need for hammering, which reduces the risk of damage to surrounding components. This press streamlines the process, making it safer and more efficient. The Metadriver is far from an ordinary screwdriver. It's a true engineering marvel that blends the classic features of hand drills with the modern convenience of ratchet screwdrivers. With its patented autopilot technology, there's no need for pre-drilling. It drives screws effortlessly. For larger tasks, the Metadriver delivers over 70 Nm of torque, double that of a standard electric drill. Compatible with all standard hex bits, it works with thousands of bits from leading brands. Its compact and ergonomic design reduces wrist strain and makes it easy to carry in your tool bag, backpack, or even your pocket. The tough-built massive mouth 16-inch tool bag, a powerhouse of durability and functionality designed for professionals who demand excellence. Constructed from high-quality PP, HDP plastic, and tough 1680D fabric, reinforced with steel fasteners and rivets, this tool bag is built to withstand the toughest conditions, outlasting traditional fabric bags by years. What sets this tool bag apart is its massive, wide mouth opening, offering unmatched access to all your tools and supplies. It's compatible with ToughBuilt's patented clip system, allowing for seamless organization and efficiency. Inside, dividing walls and structured exterior pockets ensure your tools stay securely in place, while padded handles provide ultimate comfort for easy carrying. The ToughBuilt Massive Mouth redefines how professionals store and transport their gear, making it an essential companion for any demanding job. Let's speak about an outstanding device that becomes your pass-to-helper for cutting firewood. The Wolfcraft SB60 Firewood Sawhorse. Designed for efficiency and protection, this noticed horse permits you to reduce logs up to at least 1 meter long into smaller pieces, 25 or 33 centimeters, without the problem of balancing on risky helps. It securely holds the log in region, letting you focus on cutting, even as a unique stop ensures no risky flying wood portions. The Wolfcraft SB60 functions a clever folding mechanism for brief setup and takedown. Compact and lightweight, it's clean to move, whether you're heading to the cottage or a camping journey. Despite its portability, the SB60 is exceptionally solid, providing you with peace of mind that it received tip or shift in the course of use. If firewood slicing is a normal challenge, the Wolfcraft SB60 Sawhorse is have-to-have for you. Ever struggled to tighten a nut or bolt in a space so tight that even your hand can't fit? Had to remove attachments, wasting time and effort? The Tight Reach extension clamp solves these issues effortlessly. With its 10-inch length, it easily navigates hard-to-reach areas that other tools can't access. Its vise-like grip ensures nuts and bolts stay securely in place, crucial in tight spots where dropping a fastener means losing it. Made from durable steel, it can handle heavy loads and won't fail, even with large compression clamps. The adjustable jaws open to over 1 1/8 inches, making it perfect for securing fasteners in confined areas.